A lot of people, they keep asking that question, like why if I go to the searching bar and I tap my name like Diamond Short, why my channel is not pop up? Type your name and it's not coming on the searching bar. What you do, I'm going to show you something very easy how you can start doing that and your name is going to pop up. So if you go to the searching bar and you type your name but you see your name is not popping up, a lot of people, they keep asking this question all the time, like why if I type my name on the searching bar my name is not appear? What can I do? So the easy way I'm going to show you how you can do and you can start getting your name. When you go to the searching bar and you type your name, it's going to pop up. That is easy, but I'm going to show you all the tips how you are going to do. I know a lot of people, they struggle with that. So guys, let us start our video. So click on your profile. Once you click to your profile, go to your view channel. When you go to view your channel, go straight away to your customized channel. When you click to your customized channel, straight away is going to tell you to go here. Once you came here, make sure you check everything on here. When you came here, make sure you see here it say name. You see here it say name. So if you came here on name, choose, it say like change channel name that represent you and the content change they made by your names under the picture are only visible on YouTube and not other Google device. You can change your name twice in 14 days. So you can change this name in 14 days. So you can change this name in 14 days. After 14 days, you can change. So after that, this is your name. So if you write your name in capital letter or a small letter, so your name is going to appear the way you write. So make sure your name you write like this. You see, this is Diamond, then Short, then 1. You have to write like this on that. Then after that, when you know you write your name like this, then you have to scroll down and check here. This is handle. This is the way like your link name. You say like you say handle. You say choose your unique handle by additional attempt under numbers. You can change your handle back within 14 days, same like your name. You can change the same like your name also on 14 days. So you can change this one also on 14 days, same like your name also. You say you can change your name on 14 days. So this is same. So this one you see here is your handle name. Once you know this one, you change this one and you change this one, they look same. On this one is like your link and this your channel, the way you are going to call yourself. So on here, pronouns, you have to make sure everything is the way they need. So when you came here, make sure your name also you add on the description. You see here, the way I write on here, I say, hello, my name is Diamond Short 1. So the 1 also is including true to my name. On this one also is going to support you to start when you're going to search your name, is going to pop up from there. So once you do like that, from here you done again, you say done, then you go on publish. After that, you came here to the setting, you click to the setting. Once you came to the setting, you came here to the channel. Once you came to the channel, you check here what is here. This is United Kingdom. Any country you are living, make sure you check everything from here. That's okay. You came here, these are the keyword. After that, you leave the way it is. You don't need to change. You came here to the advanced, you check what are you going to change. On here, we don't need to change anything, but guys, I'm trying to show you to understand what I'm doing. So on this one, it's not concerning about name, why it's not appearing. So you came here to the features again. This one also is not showing anything. So on this one also, it's not concerning. That's why I'm trying to show you guys. On here, you see this also is the second description. So on this one, this is the video. On any video you upload, this name is going to pop up on your video. So like, hello, I am Diamond Short 1. So you add also here, and you can add all linky of your platform, Facebook, anything. But what we are logging is only this name. We need our name when we go to the search bar to appear. So on the tag, you leave the tag the way it is. You don't need to do anything. So we are going here to the advanced setting. Once we go to the advanced setting, you check on standard, none, all this. You don't need to do anything because we don't want to do anything on this one. But what we are looking, we have already checked on that. You came here on permission, you check here on the permission. This is your name. You see here, guys, it's supposed to be stand like this, diamond shot 1. You see from there how it just appear, diamond shot 1. That's what you have to do. So on here, you came here on community. These are my people. All this one are my friends. Those they go moderators on my live stream. So that is not concerning on this. So we keep going down and down and down. So we came here on default. When you came here on default, also there was nothing we have to change from here. Common channels is supposed to be on, everything is supposed to be on, and this one is off the way it is. So we don't need to change anything. Then you go here to the creative demographic. You go here to the creative demographic. When you get to creative demographic, then you check here, nothing you need to change. Then here on promo, also the same, there was nothing we are going to change. But I'm trying to show you all these things. So after that, the main one is only on the one of here. Once you change everything from here, change to make sure your name here and this one change all the time to be same and look the way this one it is. If your name is like this, make sure you get the right way and your name is going to appear everywhere. Because if you check, this is your link. So if anyone is going to ask me my link, if I send to him at a diamond shot 5088 is going to get my link without not searching my name. This is your link of your channel, and this is your description. This is the more important. Again, you add here by your name. So that is the way it's going to help you. And these are my all content that I'm just using the other platform. So once you finish all those things, guys, go to say publish. Once you go to publish, then you go to the search bar. You came here to the search bar and you write your channel. You write here diamond shot. You see diamond shot on that time. When you write diamond shot, you have to get diamond shot 1, and it's supposed to be pop up on the screen. So once it's like this, it have to come like this. You see now diamond shot is pop up. If it's other people, it's gonna come from that time. But now first thing is going to pop up is my channel. Then other people, other diamonds, they are going to pop up. That's how it's supposed to be. But first thing, make sure you just set the way I'm telling you. On that time, your channel is going to start pop up. Then other people, when they're going to come, they will come after your name. First, you will be the one, but others, they are going to come after you. So thank you very much, guys, and tell me what to do next. If you got any question, feel free to ask me, or you can follow me on my other platform like Facebook, Instagram, or Snapchat. You can go to my video description. You can get all those links there. Thank you very much, guys. See you next video. Bye bye, guys.